In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to your Facebook profile. If you want to personalize your profile a bit more and let people see a song that matches your mood, style, or personality, Facebook gives you a simple way to do that by pinning a song to your profile. The nice thing is that this doesn't require a lot of setup, and once it's pinned, it appears near the top of your profile so visitors can easily notice it. To get started, go to Facebook and open your profile. Once you're on your profile page, look for the music section. This is the area where Facebook lets you manage songs connected to your profile. If you've already added music there, you'll be able to choose from that list. After you open the music section, find the song you want to feature on your profile. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the right one, especially if you've saved more than one track. When you found it, tap the three dots next to that song. This opens a small menu with more options related to that specific track. From that menu, select Pin to Profile. Once you do that, Facebook will place the song near the top of your profile, making it visible for other people who visit your page. That's all it takes. If you don't immediately see the update, give the app a moment to refresh or revisit your profile page to confirm the song is now pinned. This can help if your connection is slow or if Facebook takes a second to process the change. One helpful tip is to choose a song that reflects how you want your profile to feel, since this will be one of the first things people may notice. Also, if you ever want to change the song later, you can return to the music section and repeat the same process with a different track. So again, the process is simple. Open Facebook, go to your profile, open the music section, tap the three dots next to the song you want, and choose Pin to Profile. After that, the pinned song will appear near the top of your profile for others to see. And that's how to add music to your Facebook profile.